Did you know that small mistakes in your pepper growing routine could be ruining your harvest? Many gardeners unknowingly make common errors that lead to weak plants, poor yields, and frustrating results. Most gardeners struggle with slow growth, lack of fruit, and pest problems when growing peppers. But by avoiding these common mistakes, you'll see stronger plants, bigger harvests, and thriving pepper crops. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a bonus tip that will take your pepper growing game to the next level. Mistake number 1. Planting peppers too early. One of the biggest mistakes is planting peppers too soon when the weather isn't warm enough. Peppers thrive in warm soil and consistent temperatures, so if you plant them too early, they struggle to grow and may become weak. Wait until nighttime temperatures stay above 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius, before transplanting them outside. Using black plastic mulch can also warm the soil faster, giving your peppers a strong head start. Mistake number 2. Overwatering or underwatering. Peppers are sensitive to water levels. Too much or too little can stress the plant and stunt growth. The key is consistent, deep watering. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. Use mulch around the base of the plants to retain moisture and prevent soil from drying out too quickly. Mistake number 3. Not providing enough sunlight. Peppers need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Without enough light, they become weak, leggy, and produce fewer fruits. If you're growing peppers in a shady area, consider moving them to a sunnier spot or using reflective materials to maximize light exposure. Mistake number 4. Using too much nitrogen. Many gardeners think more fertilizer equals better growth, but using too much nitrogen can backfire. Excess nitrogen causes lush green leaves but fewer peppers. Instead, use a balanced fertilizer or one with slightly higher phosphorus and potassium to promote fruiting. Mistake number 5. Crowding plants. Too close together. Peppers need good airflow to prevent diseases like powdery mildew and fungal infections. When planted too closely, they compete for nutrients and become more susceptible to pests. Space pepper plants at least 12 to 18 inches apart to allow proper air circulation and healthy growth. Mistake number 6. Ignoring pollination issues. Peppers are self-pollinating, but poor airflow or lack of pollinators can reduce fruit production. To encourage pollination, gently shake the flowers or use a small paintbrush to transfer pollen between blooms. Planting flowers nearby can also attract bees and beneficial insects. Mistake number 7. Forgetting to prune and support plants. Pruning helps improve airflow and encourages stronger growth, yet many gardeners skip it. Without support, tall pepper plants can bend or break under the weight of heavy fruit. Trim unnecessary leaves and use stakes or cages to keep plants upright and productive. Bonus tip. Using Epsom salt for better growth. Here's a powerful trick to boost pepper health. Epsom salt. It contains magnesium, which helps plants absorb nutrients and produce more peppers. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and spray the leaves once a month for stronger plants and higher yields. By avoiding these common pepper growing mistakes, you'll set yourself up for bigger, healthier, and more flavorful harvests. From proper watering to pruning and pollination, small changes can make a huge difference. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you faced when growing peppers? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gardening tips, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's grow the best peppers ever. Your plants will thank you.